Hey guys, today we're gonna be destroying remotes. Let's get into it. Let's take it out. Let's see, we got one from Fios, a Verizon one, and a Fios plus Verizon one. So, yeah, they're pretty good. But we don't use Verizon, we use Optimum, so yeah, we're gonna destroy them. 3, 2, 1. Let's see how durable these things are. 3, 2, 1.
Be careful, be careful.
Let's see how durable Verizon with Fios is. 3, 2, 1.
Be careful with the... Whoa,
Now Verizon. 3, 2, 1.
again. Wait, I wonder how I take a button off. I want to see.
I don't think you can take the buttons off.
I want to throw one.
And don't worry, we took out the batteries for our own safety.
Oh, wait, can I try something?
Okay.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Ow!
No, what are you doing?
I broke my knees. Ah! See how good these are.
Wow, 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 wow.
These things won't break.
Right?
Looks like these things don't want to break.
Then let's do a joke.
There we go. Let's check how good the battery covers are.
Be careful with your hand.
Looks like this one's not that good. This one has already been caved in. This one's like broken already, so. Yep, that one's broken. What can I say about these battery covers?
Oops.
I say the battery covers are pretty good. If they didn't break so easily.
Wait, how did that got stuck?
Because I was destroying it.
In the other
Let's see
side?
how good its head is.
What about the top of the head?
Yeah, that's the head.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Now you know how.
The head is gonna break easily because it's like made of glass.
Wait, can I open it? Can I open it?
Look, open it. Try.
Okay. I'm scared, so I'm like backing up. Oh my! Oh my! Look at that. I don't. Wait, how am I gonna break this open?
Just try to open it.
Wait, yeah. It can be like a can opener.
A few inches later.
And now it's. Whoa! Whoa! Look at that piece. That's a big
Yeah, that's
piece.
like the buttons cover stuff.
Oh wait, that was only in piece. Whoa!
Ooh.
Look.
Buttons.
Wait, can I actually? Oh, that actually feels. Oh, it's so.
Okay. Let's
Oh
get
my.
destroying. Let's get the destruction on the other ones. Before we get to the other ones, let's finish up this one. 3, 2, 1.
No, that was a beautiful. That was a beautiful piece. Wait. Can I take this off? Oh my. No, we have a staple on it. No, be careful.
Wait.
That actually is
Wait.
stuck in there.
3, 2, 1.
Wait, can I try? Wait, let me
3,
try. Let me try.
2, 1.
Let me try.
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh god.
3, 2, 1. I'm actually strong. Wait, let's play baseball.
Okay, let's go play baseball. Set.
Go.
Let me try.
Oh my God, look at the sunset.
Three,
3, 2, 1.
Let's check the damage.
Oh my.
It's
Yep.
still like this. 3, 2, 1.
What?
Yep,
Look at that
it
pieces.
broke. This thing is destroyed. Let's put it in the
Look at that
garbage.
piece. Oh yeah. Make sure to have a plastic bag when you're gonna destroy something.
Yeah.
Like,
Well, this one's already destroyed, so let's get into the next one.
wait.
Okay, so we have two more. We have two more controls to dismantle. Let's see if they're any better than the one we just destroyed. Okay, let's try to open the head like we did last time. 3, 2, 1. Ugh, stop breaking. We're kind of denting it. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Hello.
A few moments later.
Piece fell out. Let's do that there. Now this should break easily now. Oh wait. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yes. It's broken. But oh wow, that actually hurt me a bit. Okay. Oh wow. Take out this rubber piece. So let's finish it off. 3, 2, 1. Huh. Did not expect that. Huh. Oh. Oh god, it's stuck. No.
A control right in the table.
You're gonna make this.
Yeah.
You're gonna make this phone drop again.
Oh my god, yeah. Let's put it right there. Like,
Oh, it actually kind of opened a bit.
wait, can I open it? Oh, I like opening stuff. I don't know why. It's like a secret.
I don't think you can open it, Lindsay. I think you have to hit it a bit more.
Wait, maybe. Opening it.
Okay. Oh, it kind of cracked a bit.
Yeah, because I'm
Try-
strong.
Now try to
Oh, like how I did it.
Open it.
A can opener. This is a can opener now. I mean a control opener. Get it? Oh, no. Okay, yes, forget it. Ow, 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 my finger stuck. My finger stuck.
get your finger out then.
Oh my god, that was so hard to get my finger out. No, don't.
Hit it with the hammer.
This is how you hit it. This is how you throw it. Wait, actually, why don't I do this in the right side? Set, go. Wait, I wonder.
Try to hit its head.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
It's getting pretty dark right now.
Yeah, I mean, we need to get back home, so maybe my grandpa's debate on me while during the daytime. So yeah. Whoa.
Yeah, I think you can open it now.
It's hard enough. What the heck? There's a rat here.
Doesn't matter. Okay, let me try opening it.
Oh! I broke it.
Oh,
Let's get open.
okay, I think you can now open it.
Cool! Look at all the buttons. Look at all these buttons. Oh, they feel so weird. Okay, let me.
Yeah. Hopefully it doesn't rain again.
Oh wait, I dried. It doesn't matter. I have my dress. Oh look, bust open.
Okay, let's destroy the battery cover.
Oh my! Really? 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 Help me! Help me! Help me! I'm next to the electricity. Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh, thanks for
And-
the buttons. I like them. I'm going to put it here. Can I do the rest because it's mine?
Okay. Yeah, you do the rest. Try to break that.
Snatch this open. Imagine
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's good.
Imagine a, oh my god, look at that snail. Wait, can I touch it?
It's destroyed. Now let's destroy them all in 1. 3, 2, 1. And so with that, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.
Later, bye.